Hi everyone, welcome back again. In the last session, I I have some connection issue and I disconnected in the earlier before completion of my plan. So where we stopped previously, we stopped at the uh, uh, work breakdown structure. We have created one work breakdown structure for the project, and I think we posted one entry as well. So basic material project. This is the project we have created, and work breakdown structure. We have given analysis, design, and development stage, and how many hours required. Those things we mentioned here. So after that. I think we posted one entry as well, our journal. I guess not remember. So mm, it's posted actually. Yeah, we posted one transaction uh, to this project. Let me check in the posted transactions as well. I think that is the point where I stopped. So this is the total cost and sales is this much. And if I go to work breakdown structure, this is the work breakdown structure and tracking view. In the tracking view, we have these things. So once we posted that our journal, actual cost is updated. Cost percent as also this much percent. Okay, this is what happened in the last session, and we can track here, and you can see the our transactions, expense transactions, and item. Expand. We have 9 levels here. We can expand uh, the levels as well. If you have if you have levels, you can expand it. Like subtasks will be there, that will come. Effect tracking. We have. We can see the effect of the current position of the project. See effect tracking 12.5% progress percentage, actual effect 8, and remaining effect 56, affected complete 64, planned also 64, right? So that is the thing we can then here. As I discussed in the previous sessions, we have move up, move out, move down, collapse, expand. Those features also available here. And as I said, the 9 levels we can expand it. Then WBS through template. Uh, this is manual upload and manual creation of work breakdown structure. If you want to import the work breakdown structure, if you want to import the work breakdown structure, we can do that as well. For example, let me check with this project. It's created stage. Let me take this one. So you can do from here. You can select the template. See, these are the things we got. We can we can move this one to up, quality assurance. We can move up, move down as well. We can do, and indent and outdent I already explained. If you want, sorry, we can make this like this, indent, and you can make it as outdent. Outdent means stopper, and if you want to make it as indent, if you can do that as well. We have delete option, new option. Here auto scheduling, fix all schedule errors. We have fixed selected tasks only. So these are the things, configure and setup needed. So what are the configuration and setup needed for work breakdown structure? Working calendar assigned to the project activity number sequence. Uh, what it means, working calendar, it will be in organization administration. You can show from here as well. For example, we'll take our project. If you see here, it is a standard calendar. This will in the organization administration. Calendars. Here working times will be available. And is that and number sequence will be like organization and number sequence. Sorry, organization administration, legal entity, and number sequence. In the number sequence, we'll have an activity number sequence. You can see here activity number sequence. It will create based on this number sequence activities. Project management parameters, scheduling default working calendar. And parameters here. We can assign the default calendar in the schedule level. So this is one thing. As I said you that next is that to analyze and review the tracking views. We have tracking views, as I said in the before this topic. There are two types of tracking views. If you go here, work breakdown section, we have tracking views here. So first is cost tracking view, effort tracking view, and so you can see this cost tracking, what is the cost spent, and what is the cost of the project completed, how much it is spending, how much planned, everything will be available here. In the effect tracking, it will be like percentage level, actual effect, how many hours spent, remaining hours how many, affected effort hours, and planned hours how much. Those details will be available. And you have expand the option here as well, level 1. Well, we can do that as well. As we did in the previous session, we posted 1 hour journal, and we already check the how it will impact it before posting the hover journal. These two parts are not there, only here 64 16, 32 32, 16 16, like this it is available. And planned also same thing. Once you Whenever you post the work that you have completed, like say 8 hours spent for this project, at that time 8 hours it is showing here, and this much percentage has been completed for this project. On cost tracking, it will be a cost level. You can see the cost effect of that. Here collapse all, expand all, and we can see the level when if you have level 1 things, level 2, n number 9 levels we can see from here. And you can see planning views from here. And once when you entered into the planning view, you have here export attachments is there, resource assignment details, and you have details option here to check the details of this particular stage. So if you edit it, it will go to draft status, WBS, and if you publish it again, it will publish it. So these are the few basic things that I want to discuss. You can create the estimates here. Maybe I'll cover this estimates thing maybe in the later sessions. We have the estimates option here that we'll check later how it will work and in the later sessions. Okay, I'll stop here.